Tangram puzzles have been around for a long time, originating in China during the Tang Dynasty. Today we'll be showing you how you can make your own Tangram puzzles at home. To make our Tangrams, we're going to start with a piece of paper. You can use regular printer paper or cardstock or even a piece of cardboard. I recommend something sturdy since we're going to be handling the pieces a lot. So we're going to go ahead and draw on our pattern. Now you can do this by hand or check the link in the description for a printable you can use. So next we're going to go ahead and cut our pieces out. When you're done, you should have 7 pieces. 2 large triangles, 1 medium triangle, 2 small triangles, a parallelogram, and a square. And with that, we are ready to solve some puzzles. Most of the puzzles you'll find will look something like this one. See how it's just a silhouette? It's up to you to figure out where the pieces go to make that shape. Let's try with this too. Here's another example to try. Let's use our puzzles to make this letter E. You can find even more pre-made challenges online, or you can make your own. You can also use your Tangram puzzles to tell stories like this one. Today I decided to go for a walk around my block. The sun was out and shining, the birds were singing, there was even some animals out scurrying around in the yard. Who was it? Well, with its big bushy tail, it was a squirrel. Now, I hadn't seen a squirrel in a long time, so I was so excited to watch it. But no sooner had I spotted it, then who comes running down the block? Well, with his big ears and wagging tail, it was the neighbor's dog. And he tore down the sidewalk barking. And now the moment the squirrel heard this barking, it took off. It bolted and ran right up to the tippy top of the nearest tree, completely out of sight. And with the dog run off and the squirrel run off, I decided it was time to walk all the way around the block back home. Here's a few patterns for you to try out for yourself. Happy puzzling!